Good morning, good afternoon, o good evening. O anumang oras nyo napanood ang video ito, welcome sa ating channel. Matuto dapat sapagkat ang kaalaman ay isang mahalagang kayamanan. Sa oras na ito ay ating pag-aralan is equation of a parabola. Lagyan po natin ito ng part 1 kasi mayroon din pong part 2. A mirror symmetrically, roughly U-shaped plane curve is called a parabola. Despite their apparent differences, it fits several mathematical descriptions that can all be shown to define the same curves. A parabola can be described using a line, and that is the directrix, and a point, that is focus. In the parabola, the points in that plane are equally spaced between the focus and the directrix. The point between the directrix and the focus is called the vertex of the parabola. The intersection of the right conical surface with a plane parallel to another plane tangential to the conical surface forms a parabola, which will also be described as a conic section. Okay? The axis of symmetry. The line passes through the focus and the vertex. The focus and the vertex are all on the axis of symmetry. P is the distance from the vertex to the focus. Here is now an illustration of the parabola. As we show, we have the x and y axis. Okay? Um, itong line na to, okay? So ito yung tinatawag nating directrix. Ito yung axis of symmetry. Okay? Between the directrix in the focus, yung focus is the center, or the vertex. Okay? Tapos, itong line na to, connecting 2 points in the parabola, passes through the focus. Okay, itong points na to, ito po yung latus rectum natin. Okay, yung latus rectum natin. And, masabi natin the parabola that any point in the curve na to, any point, the distance from the fixed point, okay, from the focus to this point Q is equal to the distance, okay, perpendicular to the directrix. So, yan, kaya nilagyan po natin itong line na orange, kaya nilagyan po natin ng diagonal line, symbolizes that these two line, yung dalawang orange, ay the same or equidistance. Okay, so that is the parabola. So, ito ay opening to the left. So, pwede ring opening to the right, opening upward, or opening downward. Okay, the standard form of the equation of the parabola with the vertex at h, k and the axis of symmetry is parallel to the x-axis, opening to the left if p is less than 0 and opening to the right if p is greater than 0. So, yun po ang ating tandaan. Kapag parallel po siya sa x-axis, yung axis of symmetry, so saan po ba ang buka ng parabola? So kapag ang P ay less than 0, so parang papuntang kaliwa po yun kasi mga negative side po yung kaliwa, di ba? Pag greater than 0 naman, positive naman siya. So ibig sabihin, papuntang kanan. So this is the standard form, the equation. Y minus K quantity squared equals 4P times X minus H. So, dito mapapansin natin, ang mayroong squared lang is yung Y. Kasi, kapag opening to the left on saka right, ibig sabihin, dalawang value po ng Y. Okay? Kasi kung halimbawa, opening niya pa ganon, so dalawang value po ng Y na papasok po doon. It could be positive or negative, o parehang positive, or pareha pong negative. Okay? And then, yung atin pong vertex at that position is located at h, k. The focus at h plus p, k. The latus rectum is located at h plus p, k plus minus 2p. The directrix at x equals h minus p. Kapag naman upward, okay, opening upward, So, ang ating naman pong tandaan, the axis of symmetry is parallel to the y-axis at ang ating standard form ay x minus h quantity square is equal to 4p times y minus k. Kasi pag opening upward, ibig sabihin, kabilaan po na, at the one given of y, one value of y, dalawang value ng x. Kaya ang x po ang mayroong x squared. Now, para malaman natin kung yun po ba ay opening downward or opening upward, kapag ang p is less than 0, ibig sabihin opening downward kasi papuntang negative. Kapag opening upward naman, p is greater than 0 dahil papuntang positive y, no? Positive y po 'yon. And then ito naman po ang kanyang mga positions, the vertex at h, k. The focus is at h, k plus p. Okay, ang latus rectum located at h plus minus 2p, k plus p. Ang directrix is located at y equals k minus p. Okay? We have an example 1. Determine the standard form of the equation of a parabola where the vertex at 3, 5 and focus at 0, 5. Okay, so ang given focus 0, 5, vertex 3, 5, h equals 3 and k is 5. So, yan po dito, makikita po natin, okay, yan. So that is your axisymmetry. So ang vertex ay h, k, 3, 5. No? And then ang focus ay 0, 5 and that is h plus p, k. So we have to determine the p. Since mayroon tayong h plus p, which is the h plus p equals 0. So yun po yung sa focus natin dito. Okay, tapos since ang h natin ay 3 plus p, so therefore ang ating p is negative 3. So ibig sabihin pag negative 3 siya, less than 0, ang opening natin pakaliwa. Okay? The focus on the vertex lies horizontally. Okay, meaning the axis of symmetry is parallel to the x-axis as shown in the graph. Nandito. The parabola is opening to the left because p is less than 0. Okay? So, yung p natin ay negative 3. But we are talking the distance. Ang distance po nila ng vertex in the focus ay 3. Okay? Naglagay lang po tayo ng indicator ng negative 3 kasi para alam natin ang opening natin. Okay? So, the standard form is y minus k since opening to the left. Okay, quantity squared equals 4p times x minus h. So, y minus, ang k natin ay 5. So, y minus 5 quantity squared equals 4 times, ang p natin negative 3 times x minus 3. Ayan. So, you have y minus 5 quantity squared equals negative 12 times x minus 3. So, yun po yung ating standard form, no, of the parabola. Okay, number 2. Determine the standard form of the equation of the parabola where the vertex at negative 3, negative 1 and the focus at negative 3, negative 5. Focus ay negative 3, negative 5. Ayan. So, negative 3, 5. Vertex negative 3, negative 1. So, nasa third quadrant. So, ang h natin negative 3, ang k natin negative 1. Okay. Tapos, okay. So, ang vertex h, k. Ang focus natin ay negative 3, 5. H, k plus 1, k plus 5. So, dito makikita natin yung h ay the same ng focus. So, ibig sabihin, papuntang align vertically. So, k plus p equals 5. So, ang k ay negative 1 plus p equals 5. So, therefore, p natin ay 6. The focus in the vertex lies vertically, meaning the axis of symmetry is parallel to the y-axis. And the parabola is opening upward because ang P natin ay greater than 0. Yan. So, P natin ay 6. Okay, axis of symmetry po yan. Ito po yung ating equation. X minus h quantity squared equals 4P times y minus k. So, x minus negative 3, since h ay negative 3, equals 4 times 6, k times y minus negative 1. So, that is x plus 3 quantity square equals 4 times 6 ay 24 times y plus 1. Example 3. Determine the standard form of the equation of a parabola where the vertex at 1, negative 5, p equals 6, and axis of symmetry is parallel to x-axis. Okay, so ang vertex ay 1, negative 5, ang h natin ay 1, ang k ay negative 5. Ang given p natin ay 6, axis of symmetry ay parallel to x-axis. So, ang given lang po natin muna, vertex. And mayroon po tayong P equals 6 at alam po natin kasi parallel to the x-axis yung ating axis of symmetry. Yan lang muna. Vertex is 1, negative 5, h, k. Since axis of symmetry is parallel to x-axis, then focus and vertex lies horizontally and P is greater than 0 kasi 6 ang P natin. Hence, the parabola is open to the right. Thus, the focus at h plus p, k. So, ang focus natin ay 1 plus 6, negative 5. So, therefore, the focus located at 7, negative 5. So, ayan po. So, located po sa 7, negative 5. Opening to the right po yung ating magiging parabola. Ayan. Axis of symmetry natin yan. So, y minus k quantity squared kasi since opening to the right, ang axis of symmetry ay parallel to the x-axis. So, y minus k quantity squared equals 4p times x minus h. So, y minus negative 5, since ang k ay negative 5, quantity squared time equals 4 times 6 times x minus 1. So, that is y plus 5 quantity squared equals 24 times x minus 1. Yun po yung ating standard form. Okay, example 4. Determine the standard form of the equation of the parabola where the focus at negative 1, 0, p equals 4 and opening upward. So, focus ay negative 1, 0, p equals 4, opening upward. Ayan. So, nandun po siya nag-lie sa negative x. Okay? So, P equals 4. So, hindi pa po natin alam saan po bandang located ang ating vertex. Since focus ay opening upward, therefore, ang atin pong equation ay h, k plus p. Okay? So, para makuha po natin ang k, kasi mayroon na po tayong h, no? Ang k natin, k plus p equals 0, ang k natin ay ang p natin ay 4. So, k plus 4 equals 0. And therefore, ang k ay negative 4. Okay. Since focus and vertex lies vertically, kasi opening upward po ito, so ibig sabihin, naka-align po sila vertically. Meaning the axis of symmetry is parallel to y-axis and h in vertex is the same as h in focus. Hence, vertex is located at negative 1, negative 4, where h is negative 1 and k is negative 4. So, yan po ang magiging vertex natin. No? So, ang kanya pong P ay 4. Yan po yung magiging distance between the focus and the vertex. So, that is the axis of symmetry. So, therefore, x minus h quantity squared equals 4p times y minus k. So, yan ang ginamit natin formula kasi ang symmetry natin ay, o axis of symmetry ay parallel to the y-axis. Ang opening natin ay upward. Okay? So, that is x minus negative 1. Since h natin ay negative 1, quantity squared equals 4 times 4, okay, times y minus negative 4. So, x plus 1, quantity squared equals 16 times y plus 4. Yun po yung standard form natin. Okay, so ganun lang po, no? Pag mag-graph po tayo magkuha po tayo ng standard form ng ating parabola. And here is your activity. Ayan, so mas maganda kung hindi nyo masyado maintindihan, siguro you have to try to plot muna yung mga given points. And you have to analyze kung saan po ang kanyang magiging opening. Kung opening to the right ba siya, or opening to the left, or upward or downward. Para alam nyo po kung paano ang magiging equation na gagamitin. Okay, so yun lang. Maraming salamat. I hope you learned from this video. Nawa i-share nyo rin yun to sa inyong mga kasamahan, mga kaibigan ng mga mathematics students, no? At maging sa mga gusto pa matuto in this topic. Maraming salamat at pagpalain kayo ng Panginoon.